What's up, guys? It's Anthony with the Wrench Out Garage. Thank you for tuning in, and today we've got another install coming to our Polaris RZR XP 1000 four-door. And before I dive into this install, hey, don't forget, hit that subscribe button down below so you can catch up on all the stuff going on with the RZR, with the trailer, with the garage, with the truck, and so much more. You're not going to want to miss out. But today, we've got more protection coming to the RZR. More specifically to the passengers in the RZR and the drivers as well, and that is the full front windshield. It is the poly version from Polaris. The part number is 2884018. I'll link this and some other items that I think would complement your RZR as far as windshields go down below if you're interested. Let's open this thing up and dive into it. So according to Polaris's website, this thing is supposed to be super simple to install. So we're going to install this. We will be doing a rear window too. In fact, I'm going to do that right after this video. So let's see what we got in the box. The instructions, of course, fell to the bottom. There we go. Drop the box. Pretty simple. Actually, they were correct. This is going to be a short video, which is okay. So here it is. Let me take this plastic off. It does come with covering on it, and I'll show you guys the windshield itself. Looks like this. It does have sealing on it. It is a poly blend like plastic, and it does clip in and clip out. Obviously, if you're not in a high dust or high rock throwing area, especially if you're not following someone, you can always pop this out if you want to. In our case, I want to protect myself, my family, as best as possible. So we're going to go ahead, put this on. This should fit pretty much, should be a pretty straightforward install. There's a groove that goes up on the top there. And then this pretty much just sits like that. Let's see about the clamping. I think this might go up a little bit more. There you go. You just pull it. Clamps on just like that. Super simple. Obviously, you don't even need hand tools for this one. And there it is. So as you guys can see, that was it. What a 2-minute install to seal. There is air gaps in there. But I think for the most part, it's going to protect the driver, the passengers, pretty much the whole cargo bay. This is not glass. There's a glass version that's, I believe, double the price of this one. But this is a really nice option, and there's a lot of other options. Again, I'll link these options and others down below if you're interested in getting one of these for your RZR. That's it. It's pretty simple. Clamp it in, good to go. You guys will see us out on the road with this. So again, don't forget, hit subscribe down below. Check out our other videos. That pretty much wraps this up. Again, Polaris has a full line, and there's a lot of aftermarket front windshields as well. So that pretty much is it. We can take a quick look at it here. Probably the simplest install I've had to date on the Polaris is this guy right here. So again, thank you guys for tuning in. And if you're out riding or driving, do it safely. And don't forget, we do garage news on Mondays. We do garage talks. We have a bunch of installs for not just the RZR. We've got stuff going on in the garage, the trailer, the truck, and so much more. I appreciate you guys watching this video. Links are down below. We'll catch up with you in the next video.